Hello everybody, my name is Samir. I'm a Student Futures intern here at the University of Roehampton. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Handshake, the university careers platform where you can find jobs, internships, events and more. Whether you've never used it before or you just want to get the most out of it, I'll guide you through everything step by step. Here's what we are going to cover in this video: how to sign in and access Handshake, how to update your profile, how to upload your CV and documents, how to set your career interests, how to search and apply for jobs, how to explore and register for events, how to follow employers, and how to connect with other students and graduates. Each section is clearly marked, so feel free to skip to the parts you are most interested in, or follow along from the start. Without any further wait, let's get right ahead into the video. Let's start with the basics: how to log in and access Handshake for the first time. To access Handshake, go to joinhandshake.co.uk in your browser. You'll be taken to this sign-in page. This is what you use as a Roehampton student, or if you are at any other UK university that uses Handshake. Or if you have already graduated, you can use your personal email address and follow the same steps of this video. After putting in your institution's name, this will take you to your university's login screen. Here, just sign in using your university email address and your usual university password, the same login details you use for Moodle or your university email. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Handshake dashboard. This is your home base. You'll see job suggestions, event reminders, and quick links to other sections down the left-hand side like jobs, events, and career center. And that's it, you are in. Now that you've logged in, we can start setting up your profile to make sure the platform works for you. The first thing to do once you have created your Handshake account is complete your profile. This helps Handshake recommend jobs that match your background and makes it easier for employers to find you. Start by clicking your initials in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on My Profile. This is your personal profile. Think of it like your online CV. The more complete it is, the more accurate and helpful your job matches will be. Let's begin with the education section. Make sure your degree, subject, university, and expected graduation year are all correct. If anything's missing or wrong, click Edit to fix this. In your work experience section, you can add previous jobs, internships, volunteering, or freelance work. Click the plus icon to add a new entry. Then, just fill in your job title, the organization name, your start and end dates, and a short description of what you did. This doesn't have to be a formal job. If you've helped at a family business, done tutoring, or worked on uni project with real clients, include that too. We've also got the skills section. This is where you'll list the things you are good at. These could be technical skills like Excel, Photoshop, or programming, or soft skills like leadership and communication. Employers actually search by skills, so the more relevant ones you include here, the better. Once you've added those three sections, work experience, education, and skills, your profile will already be off to a strong start. From here, Handshake can start tailoring job recommendations to suit you. Now that your profile is set up, let's upload your CV. This is an important step if you are planning to apply for jobs or internships through Handshake. To upload your documents, go to the top right corner again and click your initials. Then select My Documents from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll upload your CV, cover letter, or even a portfolio if you've got one. To upload a new file, click on Add New Document or Upload New Document. Choose your document type. Usually this will be CV or resume. Give your file a name and then upload it directly from your computer. Once uploaded, you'll be able to use this file when applying for jobs, and you can replace it or update it anytime. And that's it. Your CV is now uploaded and ready to go. You can add more documents later if needed, like different versions for specific roles or industries. Now let's set your career interests. This helps Handshake understand what kind of roles you are aiming for and makes your dashboard and job alerts more accurate. Go to the top right corner again and click on your initials. This time, select My Career Interests from the drop-down menu. Here's where you can customize your preferences. Start by choosing the type of roles you are interested in. For example, marketing assistant, business analyst, software engineer, whatever fits your goals. Next, pick your preferred job types, like internships, part-time roles, or graduate jobs. Then, choose your industries, such as tech, creative, finance, or public sector. You can also add your preferred work locations. Just type in the cities or regions you'd like to work in. And finally, set your start date, which is especially useful if you're applying for a graduate role or summer placements. Once you've filled this out, Handshake will use your interests to recommend roles and show you more relevant jobs on your homepage. It also improves the quality of any job alerts you set up, so it's worth doing. Now it is time for a crucial moment in this video, and that is how to apply to jobs. Let's go through how to search and apply for jobs on Handshake. Whether you're looking for part-time work, internships, or graduate roles, this is where it all happens. Click on the Jobs tab. This will take you to the job search page. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Here, you can type in job titles or keywords like marketing intern, finance assistant, or customer service. Use the filters at the top to narrow down your results by location, job type, remote roles, or even application deadlines. This is useful if you are only looking for something part-time, on campus, or within a specific city. When you find a job you are interested in, click on the title to view more details. On the right, you'll see the full job description, including the roles, the company info, salary, and application deadline. If you are ready to apply, click the Apply or Apply Externally button. If the job allows direct applications through Handshake, you will be able to attach your CV right away. You can also click Save to bookmark jobs you want to come back to later. Saved jobs can be found under the Saved tab at the top of this page. And that's how you search and apply for jobs through Handshake. Make sure to check in regularly. New opportunities are posted all the time. Handshake isn't just about job searching. It's also where you can find and register for career events hosted by your university and employers. Let me show you how to explore what's coming up. On the left-hand menu, click on the Events tab. This brings up a list of all upcoming events, including things like employer insight sessions, CV workshops, and careers fairs. You can use the search bar or the filters at the top to look for events by keyword, date, format, or category. For example, you can filter just for virtual events or just for events happening on campus. When you see something you are interested in, click on it to view the full details, including time, location, description, and any preparation tips. If you want to attend, just click the Register button, and it will be added to your calendar within Handshake. You can view all the events you've signed up for under the Your Schedule tab, and you'll also receive reminders so you don't miss anything. That's how you register for events on Handshake. It's a great way to build your network, improve your skills, and meet employers who are actively hiring students like you. If you've got a few companies you're really interested in, Handshake lets you follow them, so you'll never miss when they post a job or host an event. On the left-hand menu, click the Employers tab. Here, you'll see a list of employers that are actively using Handshake to post jobs, run events, or search for students. You can use the search bar at the top to find specific companies. For example, you might type in EY, BBC, or Cancer Research UK. Once you find a company you like, click on their name to visit their profile. You'll see information about the company, their roles, any upcoming events, and reviews from other students. To stay in the loop, just click the follow button at the top of their page. Once you follow them, you'll automatically see their job posts and events on your homepage, and you'll be notified when something new is added. And that's how you follow employers on Handshake. It's a simple way to stay connected with companies you are interested in, especially when they are hiring for roles that match your profile. Finally, let's look at the Career Center tab. This is where you can access one-to-one support from your university's careers team, browse career resources, and find job collections tailored to your subject area. Here, you'll find several useful options. If you want personalized advice, click on Appointments to book a one-to-one session with a careers advisor. You can get help with CVs, interview prep, or figuring out your next steps. You can also browse resources. This might include CV guides, interview tips, or links to other helpful platforms provided by your university. The Career Journey section lets you track your development and access short career tasks to complete. It's a good way to stay on top of your progress. And finally, the Job Collections area shows curated job listings based on your subject or faculty. For example, business, arts, or social sciences. So if you ever feel stuck or want some extra support, the Careers Center tab is your direct link to the university's careers team. And it's all built right into Handshake. And that's it, a full walkthrough of how to use Handshake. We've covered everything you need to get started, including how to log in, how to complete your profile, how to upload your CV, how to set your career interests, how to search and apply for jobs, how to register for events, how to follow employers, and how to use the Career Center tab for extra support. Handshake is a brilliant tool that's made for students, and the more you use it, the more useful it becomes. So take a few minutes to explore, build your profile, and start applying. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your career journey.